The horizon of the Indian Ocean shifts as the massive silhouette of a Turkish drilling vessel cuts through the waves. On the deck, engineers monitor seismic data screens that flicker with blue potential. This is the Curad, a deep-sea site that marks Somalia's first serious step into global energy production. For decades, these waters remained silent, guarded only by conflict and uncertainty. Now, that silence is finally broken by the rhythmic, mechanical thrum of state-of-the-art drilling equipment. Experts estimate that beneath this ancient seabed lie 30 billion barrels of oil and over 100 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. These figures are not just cold numbers, they represent a seismic shift from aid dependency to a future of true economic sovereignty. As the heavy drill bit descends thousands of meters into the Earth's crust, the stakes become clear. A successful extraction could trigger an influx of foreign investment and build infrastructure. Yet, history whispers a stern warning of the resource curse, a shadow where wealth brings instability. In the capital, officials review complex contracts and development frameworks with intense focus. They know that the decisions made today will define the country's trajectory for the next century. The vessel continues its tireless work, pulling core samples from the dark, pressurized depths. Each sample is a piece of a high-stakes puzzle. Will Somalia become a major energy exporter, or will it face the pitfalls of mismanagement? The nation stands at a critical crossroads. This is not merely an industrial project. It is a profound test of governance, transparency, and long-term vision. As the sun sets over the Indian Ocean, the lights on the drilling rig glow brightly, serving as a lonely beacon for a future that remains to be written. The world watches and waits to see if this untapped wealth will become the foundation of a new era. The story of a nation is being drilled into the deep,